Random question and answer that you may encounter when you are applying international shipping company. Pwedeng lumabas, pwedeng hindi. But it is a matter of the preparation what you did. Kasi siguro naman, ayaw mong masabihan ano bang ginawa mo sa 3 taon na pag-aaral mo. And that is even a basic question and you cannot even answer. Aray! And this is the Colreg edition, ang paborito ng lahat. And this is one of the basic questions that you may encounter. What is Rule 5? Sir, Rule 5 is lookout. Every vessel shall maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing and all available means appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and condition so as to make full appraisal of the risk collision. Because in my experience, 35% yata ng technical question is nanggaling sa Colreg, no? Kaya mas mainam na may alam ka na dito, medyo kabisado mo na yung mga rule dito because it will be advantage for you at marami ka na masasagot during interview. I know you have a following up question. Sir, kailangan ba word by word or kailangan ba talaga kabisado yung buong meaning ng bawat rule sa Colregs? The answer is no. At least kaya mo siyang ipaliwanag ng diretso, no? At naiintindihan mo kung ano yung nilalaman niya. Let's say dito sa Rule 5 lookout, I use some keywords by sight and hearing and all available means. Kapag nabanggit ko yung tatlong yan, no, okay na, no? Kahit mag-utal-utal na ako sa bandang dulo because I already said these 3 words that the most important coming from the Colregs. And also prepare for the following up question. Sample. What is all available means? Available means, sir, it is what we use to navigate safely such as GMDSS, radar, ECDIS, and chart. Magbigay ka lang ng mga sample kasi doon malalaman kung naiintindihan mo ba talaga yung nilalaman ng rule. So ayun lang, I hope this video will help you. Dahil hindi mo naman makakabisado to ng overnight. One rule at a time lang. Huwag mo pagsabay-sabayin, partner. Adios amigo, this is me, JG Conlans, your Lacochero Marino.